Today is a big day. As you can see, I look so beautiful, so amazing. I'm the most beautiful woman in the entire world, and that is because I am coming to Molalatau for Koroso. If you don't know what Koroso is, in our culture, in Astana culture, when somebody gets married, the wedding takes place at their mother's side, and then after some time it goes to the husband's side. So what happens with me is I'm actually being brought to my husband's side, and Babigro have been waiting for this beautiful, gorgeous, amazing woman. So I'm so happy for the day, grateful for the day. Yesterday when I was having a conversation with my grandma, she said that she always wanted to get married. That never came to pass. And she's so happy that she sees me, you know, getting married and now arriving here in Molalatau for Koroso. So it's like she's living the dream inside of me. This just shows you how far God can go when it comes to breaking generational curses. And this is just the beginning of good things and good news in my family. I want to give special thanks to all my pastors from Royal Assembly, all my pastors as well from Lighthouse, my friends, my family, everybody who just came to celebrate this big moment with me. It's a big one. Thank you.
Hey there, this is Makwanas here, the husband to Nikita Makwanas. A big day is finally here. You know, the question how I'm feeling, I'm super excited. I am filled with joy. I am filled with so much love. And I'm excited for this day today where my wife is finally coming home and officially going to be instated here as my wife in Molalatau Koroso today. So I'm super excited. One message from my wife is that you have been nothing but a blessing. You can see even how I glow. You've been nothing but a blessing in my life, in my heart, spiritually, all facets of my life. You've always been that one person that I can count on. And I thank God for a special person that I have in you, that you be my best friend. I can never have asked for anything else. Indeed, God knew that I need a partner in this life, and He brought you. So thank you so much for being my wife.
Asimbo moremedi,